In this video we will play with the 3D Globe widget, which you can check and play with by going to New, Load Examples, Logistics. This is the dashboard you're seeing right now. First let's see how it's configured. Well, what it does is a 3D globe that you can move with your mouse or with touch devices, and it displays lines on locations in the world. If we go to Design, 3D Map, the settings are quite easy. You have to specify the latitude and longitude and value. The value is how big or high the line is. And so let's start with it. Let's go to New. Let's name it 3D Globe Example. For it we need the 3D Widget 3D extension. So we go to Design. We will use the sample event source. Did everything by default. You can see that there's an option here, generate country data. It must be checked, so we have the data we need. The data that it's generating is world population of the biggest cities. We select the 3D globe. We can load sample data, which we don't want. We can select the day or night for the globe, which is the background color, and the opacity of the background, and if we want the globe to auto rotate, let's check the auto rotate. Let's connect the transformer, and we go to templates, and the required fields are these three: latitude, longitude, and value. You can see on the input that we already have value.city, lat, long, and val. This is latitude and longitude of the cities with population relative to all the big cities. And if we click OK, let's name it 3D globe, we can see that it's spinning and it's adding the lines as it goes. You can tell that it's population because almost all the lines are in Asia and are really high. And let's change a setting. Let's make the background zero opacity, so it's translucent, and that's all. There's not much else to do with this widget, but it's quite nice and has a nice effect. For example, for display of sales by location, traffic by location, potential fraud by location. You can use an IP to geolocation database to map stuff, where you have the IP to location and display it here, and it looks really nice when you set auto rotate and put it on a screen. So there's not a lot more to tell about this widget. If you have any question, just contact us on the YouTube comments or on Twitter, Facebook, or via email, and we will happily reply. Bye.